Hello friends, welcome to another interesting episode of Plants and Life YouTube channel. Today, we will learn proper and 100% successful method to grow pencil cactus or euphorbia tirucalli. If you follow this method, I'm giving you guarantee that you cannot be unsuccessful. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. So, pencil cactus is not a cactus, it's a succulent. It produces a poisonous latex that can cause temporary blindness, so handle with care. Although very hardy, the pencil cactus prefers dry, warm environments. The most common mistake made with these plants is overwatering. Before growing cutting, you have to dry the cutting in warm and dry place for 4 to 6 days. Then, it'll be ready to grow. So, for growing media of cutting, I always prefer inorganic media, as it enhances root growth and having less chance of rotting or fungal infection. So here, I've taken a terracotta pot and taken cinder dust, as it is light and porous as well as inorganic, so great for root development. So, before potting, I'm here covering the drainage hole with cotton cloth piece and add some gravel over it. Then, fill the pot and plant the cutting in the center of the pot and water thoroughly. You have to keep the pot in semi-shade area and water in every 3 days. So, welcome back after 1 month later. Look how good it started growing. Also, you can see tiny roots are coming out the bottom hole. As I said, this is the magic of inorganic media. So, you try this method, you'll get 100% success rate for sure. I'm here adding little vermicompost in it, as it will require some organic food to grow further. So, that's all for today. If you like, then give a thumbs up and share to your friends and subscribe our channel as very interesting videos keep coming. See you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep supporting. Thank you friends.